There was this one day I made the bad mistake of going to this tourist village and I got there and it was such a shock because I'd been in this really stunningly beautiful sensual landscape. And I got there and everyone was trying to sell me everything. Anyway, I finally found a way out of this village. And I climbed this little hill and I found this really quiet place to be, looking out over the whole valley. And I just felt my whole body soften back into feeling peaceful and happy, which I'd basically been feeling all week up till then. And it really made me realise how much being in nature teaches me about this very aware, quiet, happy place. I was trying to work out what it is in nature that does that. I felt natural surroundings have this kind of presence that's really unconditional, this unconditional presence. You don't have to be anything, and it'll accept you. There's something really calming about that. A kind of stable force, a constant.